talk about sleeping in the back of a car in this song. This was a suggestion by a viewer, so thanks for that. And they're doing the same kind of thing where they're doing a rock kind of song with jazz chords. But we just started in A major. So it's like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It's like a not us. It's not us even. It's so you gotta get your strumming. If you're gonna use a pick, I'd advise you to use a very thin pick. This is not a thin pick, but I had to turn the sound down if I want to use a pick. Alright, that's the rhythm. The chords are A major, and then the jazz chord, or just the R&B chord, is D major 7. And then the final chord in this main chord progression is this is F sharp minor 7. Right, so let's go over those chords. A, we bar the 5th fret. Then with our middle finger, we play the G string at the 6th fret. And then on the 7th fret, we put our ring finger on the A and our pinky on the D. And then it's kind of convenient to go to the D major 7, because we leave these 2 fingers in place, and we just place the ring finger on the D string now, and the pinky on the B string. So these 3 fingers are making a triangle pointing that way. And then the F sharp, and that's all at the 5th fret there. Then we go up to the 9th fret, the F sharp minor 7. It's just like a minor bar chord, okay? Except you drop your pinky. All right, so we bar the 9th fret, strings 1 through 5. Okay, we place our middle finger on the B string at the 10th fret. We place our ring finger on the D string at the 11th, and that's it. Okay, the minor 7ths go very well with the major 7th. Okay, and then so you just cycle between those chords. This one, you're just playing the 1, 2. And then you're not playing on that one. So you're playing this one. 2, 2. So it's 1, 2, scratch, scratch, scratch. Okay, and when you're scratching, you're releasing tension on these fingers. And then we go to the major 7. Then we go back. All right, but we're starting on the 1, 2 again. Again, that's a feel thing. You just have to get a feel for it, and that comes through practice and just kind of listening and then trying things out. All right, the next part of the song, it's still this chord. We're just playing the fragment, barring high E and B strings. We're playing the G string at the 6th and the D string at the 7th. Then what you do is he actually just slides up to the 6th fret. But I think what he's also doing is changing his fingers. So now you're playing the D and G strings at the 7th fret, and you play the B string at the 6th, and I don't even think you play the high E. No, yeah, you mute the high E. So it's like, what you could do is just drop your from the F shape, drop your middle finger to the B string, and then okay, and that's like some kind of augmented chord, but he's just playing a chord fragment. It's like, don't get too hung up on it. If you need to, just leave it out because it's just a passing chord. The next chord is this could be many chords actually, you know, but basically we'll just say we're barring the 7th fret across the top 3. I would probably think of this as a B minor with the 7th fret. So all together, that second part is, I think he's saying something about kicking someone to the curb. That's not very nice. But I think he regrets it. Alright. I'm trying to keep these things short. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.